Okay, so we talked about 𝗖𝗵𝗶𝗿𝒂𝒄𝒃 posture. That is, pelvis is forward and his cage is back and his head is forward. So we're going to come up with a therapeutic exercise that's exactly opposite of this. So what 𝗖𝗵𝗶𝗿s going to do for correction, he's going to push his pelvis back, his cage forward, and then since we want to build a neck curve, we'll do a fancy thing to pull more curve in. But the big piece in terms of the low back is feet forward, pelvis back, chest, cage forward, and lift that cage up. That's doing great. So we've got the feet forward, pelvis back, chest forward. You're doing great with that. And lift the cage up like this, and we'll keep that curve going and just pull the head back like that. Great. 8, 9, 10, relax. Good. That was really good. Let's do another rep like that, and then I'm going to adjust it with the instrument. We go feet forward, pelvis back. You're trying to push your weight against the wall. Lift the cage up and press the chest forward. Lift that cage. Big Superman chest. Oh, you got it down today. But press the head forward. Curve the head back. Lift the cage. This instrument taps at the speed that a nerve fires. So what it does, it just gives us 12 taps every 2 seconds, and we can just stimulate in certain neurological spots. Push that cage forward, man. Push, man. Push and pull the head back. Good. 8, 9, 10. We'll tap in certain neurological spots to help your brain remember that posture. We adjust to free the stuck joint. We do the therapeutic exercise to retrain the brain and remind the body back to its correction, and then we'll do the traction to stretch out the ligaments.